I'd like to talk about the functional role of ZTB1 in pancreatic cancer. ZTB1 forms a complex with some proteins and specifically trimethylated histone 3 region 9. Histone 3 region 9 trimethylation represents a specific tag for epigenetic transcription repression. ZTB1 is implicated in tumorigenesis by altering the expression of oncogenes or tumor suppressor genes. Therefore, we aim to elucidate the functional role of ZTB1 in pancreatic tumorigenesis. To examine the impact of pancreatic ZTB1 deletion in the context of oncogenic KRAS, we generated PTM-free KRAS deletably ZTB1 FLOFAC KCS mice and compared them to control KC mice. Microarray analysis of messenger RNA from KC and KCS pancreatitis showed apoptotic signaling pathway and p53 downstream pathway were significantly upregulated in KCS pancreatitis compared to KC pancreatitis. Additionally, CHIP experiments using Ashnell cells isolated from wild-type mice and ZTB1 knockout mice showed that ZTB1 bound to p53 promoter regions. As this schema shows, these results indicate that ZTB1 binds directly to p53 promoter region to regulate its expression. To examine the impact of pancreatic ZTB1 deletion in the initiation of PDAC, we generated KP heteroCS mice and compared to KP hetero-C mice. Surprisingly, ZTB1 deletion completely protected against the formation of PDAC in the context of heterozygous p53. Staining for cryptocapacity and p53 showed ZTB1 deletion increased apoptosis and upregulated p53 expression. To test whether PDAC is formed in absence of p53, we generated KP homoCS mice and compared them to KP homoC mice. In contrast to heterozygous p53 deletion, in the context of homozygous p53 deletion, PDAC was formed in all ZTB1 knockout mice. Also, when staining for cryptocapacity and p53 showed increased apoptosis was cancelled in ZTB1 knockout mice. We next investigate whether ZTB1 regulates TP53 expression through histone 3K9 trimethylation in human PDAC cells using PK59 cells, which have a wild TP53 status. Western blot analysis showed that the expression of histone 3K9 trimethylation was decreased in ZTB1 silent PK59 cells compared to controls. CHIP experiments showed that the bindings of histone 3K9 trimethylation to TP53 promoter regions were decreased in ZTB1 silent PK59 cells compared to controls. These results indicate that ZTB1 epigenetically regulates TP53 expression at least in part through histone 3K9 trimethylation in human PDAC cells. In conclusion, ZTB1 deletion prevents pancreatic cancer formation with inducing apoptosis through the regulation of p53 expression. Thus, ZTB1 could be a therapeutic target for PDAC which retains p53 function. Thank you for your kind attention.